What happens when any company, regardless of size, has access to world-class enterprise systems? Productivity is tracked, efficiency soars, and collaboration becomes more than just a buzzword. When the little guy can finally use the same business tools as 1,000-pound gorillas, the game is changed forever. At IBE.net, we're fighting to arm the little guy. Our fully integrated, highly customizable solution runs his business in the cloud, redefining how professionals interact with his organization and each other.
Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I manage a contract development company. Time is the lifeblood of my business, but my developers all hate putting in their time and expenses. Now, I have a system that makes managing time a lot easier. With these dashboards, I have real insight into what's actually happening, my billable and non-billable time, where items are in the approval cycle. I can even drill down to see what tasks individuals have been doing. Currently, I'm preparing invoices for last month, so I need to understand whose time is missing. Rob, missing time again. Not to worry, all I have to do is to log on to his project and task, add a comment, and that will be seen by him and his project manager to remind him to put his time in. He will get this via our buzzboard next time he logs in, or optionally, I can email him right from the screen.
I'm Rob, and I do two things. I program, and I snowboard. Everything else just gets in the way. What? I missed my time again? Oh, I'm getting hassled by Jennifer and Todd. Oh man, no worries though. With this mobile app, I'll get it done in no time. I can select the task I've been working on. I can copy my time from day to day. I can even enter vacation on non-billable time. And sometimes I just find it easier to enter my start and end times. So really, I have no excuse. I just click submit and it's gone. And the rest is taken care of by something they call workflow. Now, if you thought time was easy, just wait till you see expenses. This trip feature is wicked. If I'm in my car, with one click, it knows exactly where I am. If I forget, I can choose an already stored location and it will calculate the mileage for me, even allowing me to update that if I feel it's wrong. The app, it's also linked to my bank, which means that all my business expenses are imported to my phone automatically. I can drill down and see where each one has come from. Foreign currencies? Not a problem. Any currency I've ever wanted is there, and the exchange rates update automatically. No more searching online. System's got it covered. Now, I know Jen needs receipts for audit purposes, but really they're such a hassle. Until now. I just take a picture of each receipt I've got, then I can match it up to the expenses that come in directly from the bank. I mean, what could be simpler than that? And now, my favorite bit. With 2 swipes of my finger, all my collected expenses and trips are now safely into an expense claim, ready to send off for approval. I'm done. Now it's time to grab some big air.
My name's Todd Harvey. I'm a project manager, which means I have to answer to people all day long. But this mobile app makes a world of difference. I can actually approve stuff on the go. I see Rob's put in his time at last. Thank you very much, Rob. I dare say Jen will be very pleased. I see we also have some expenses. Well, let's have a look at this one. I can see all the details, including the vendor. I can check on the receipt if it's attached. Yes, this one looks fine. This one, though, I'm not sure. I think he needs to find another project to book this one against. So not only time and expenses, I can also control the tasks my team is working on. I can complete code reviews to keep things moving, and I can release new products into development, all from this one app. So, who's going to yell at me next?
Well, it's not going to be me. I'm happy. With everyone's time in, I can start billing. In my old system, invoicing was a real headache, but now it's much more efficient. I can drill down and see all the time and expenses booked by my staff during the past month, and make any adjustments that I feel necessary. Wow, this is quite a lot. Imagine doing this in Excel because you couldn't afford a proper system. Comments captured at the time of entry even make their way to the invoice. So, with a couple of clicks, all of the data is pulled into the customer's invoice for the month. The pricing feature is a real lifesaver. Just like Excel, I can set it up to do whatever I'd like. And one click later, the invoice has been dispatched to my customer. Having saved all of that time on administration, I can now focus on things that are far more important to me.
As you can see, the initial release of our MVP is not exactly minimal, but it represents the first step on the journey towards our vision. We are breaking the link between price and functionality. We are changing the game for small and mid-sized enterprises. This is the future. This is IBE.net.